Are you planning a family trip soon? Today, you'll listen to a simple English conversation about planning a family vacation. You'll learn useful travel vocabulary, natural expressions, and everyday English. Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you enjoy learning English with us.
Let's practice English together.
Hi, you look excited today.
Hi, yes I am. My family is planning a vacation next month.
Really? That's wonderful. Where are you going?
We haven't decided yet. We're still talking about it.
Oh, I see. What places are you thinking about?
My parents want to visit the beach.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, but my younger sister wants to visit a theme park.
Kids usually love theme parks.
That's true.
What do you want?
I like mountains and nature.
That's a difficult choice.
Yes, everyone likes something different.
How do you choose?
We usually talk together and vote.
That's a good idea.
Everyone can share their opinion.
How many people are going?
7 people.
Wow, that's a big family trip.
Yes, my parents, my grandparents, my sister, my brother, and me.
That sounds fun.
I hope so.
How many days will you stay?
About 5 days.
That's a nice vacation.
Yes, we don't travel very often.
Are you staying at a hotel?
Maybe. We're also looking at holiday apartments.
Which one do you prefer?
An apartment because we can cook together.
That's true. It also feels like home.
Exactly.
Who is planning everything?
My father.
Is he good at planning?
Very good. He always makes a travel schedule.
That's helpful.
Yes, he even checks the weather before we go.
Smart idea. How will you travel?
We might drive.
Is it far?
Around 4 hours.
That's not too bad.
No, we can stop along the way.
I like road trips.
Me too. We usually listen to music in the car.
Do you play games during the trip?
Yes, we play word games and guessing games.
That sounds fun.
It makes the trip feel shorter.
What will you pack?
Comfortable clothes.
Anything else?
Sunscreen, hats, sunglasses, and swimsuits if we go to the beach.
Good idea.
We also bring snacks.
What kind of snacks?
Chips, fruit, cookies, and bottled water.
Delicious.
Traveling always makes us hungry.
Do you usually take many photos?
Oh yes,
Who takes the best pictures?
my sister.
Really?
She's very good with a camera.
Do you take family photos?
Of course.
Those are wonderful memories.
Yes, we make a photo album every year.
That's a lovely tradition. What activities do you want to do?
I want to go hiking.
Nice.
My sister wants to swim.
What about your grandparents?
They enjoy walking and relaxing.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, they don't like busy places.
I understand. Will you try local food?
Absolutely.
What's your favorite travel food?
Fresh seafood.
Yum! I love seafood too.
My mother wants to try local desserts.
Sweet treats are always fun.
We also like visiting small local restaurants.
Sometimes they have the best food.
I agree.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes.
What do you usually buy?
Keychains, magnets, and postcards.
Those are nice keepsakes.
We also buy small gifts for our friends.
That's thoughtful. What's the most important thing about a family vacation?
Spending time together.
I agree.
We laugh, talk, and make happy memories.
That's what makes a trip special.
It doesn't have to be expensive.
You're right.
Being together is the best part.
I hope your family has a wonderful vacation.
Thank you. I hope so too.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.